straight to the equity markets, and we are seeing quite a bit of volatility today, but good thing to note that now the resilience is built up as we're at 65.44. The Sensex too is up by a good 82 points now, so 21,937. Clearly the traction seems to be on the positive side. Should pull up the Bank Nifty as well and see how that is overall supporting the markets as well. You've got quite a few private and PSU banking names which are in the limelight on the upside, so 231 on that count. Remember, on the macroeconomic front also the news has been fairly positive. IT is your big loser, and it's no prizes for guessing that it's clearly Infosys which is leading to this kind of a drubbing. We should just quickly pull up that stock because that's perhaps the only reason why the entire IT pack is looking very soft in today's session. It opened with a gap down. The management commentary has not been encouraging whatsoever, and as we speak it's holding on to the 34,000 marks, so 34.14, but still a 7% cut. Giving it company, you've got a Sun Pharma. Clearly it's been very negative news on that one with respect to US FDA drug recalls. You've got Ranbaxy, which is in the limelight on the downside as well. Giving it company is a Lupin, there's DLF and Jindal Steel. But I must mention that the list of losers is very small in comparison to the gaining list. BPCL, by the way, is your top gainer on the Nifty now, so 432. Holding up pretty smartly. You've got Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, PNB, BOB, ICICI Bank. The entire list of banking stocks looking very chirpy in today's session. From autos, M&M is in top gear, so up by a good 2% as we speak. Reliance Industries is showing you quite a bit of resilience, so 889 on that one. Ambuja Cements and ONGC giving it company.